If you want to know how to make your drawings go from this to this in just a couple of days, then make sure to keep watching this video where I draw for Inktober for every single day to improve my art. So if you're still trying to improve your art like I did, you can also follow lots of tutorials on my channel. So for day 29 of Inktober, I'm drawing the Dilophosaurus, and this is my interpretation of it. I hope you guys can learn something and enjoy watching this video. So here we go, day 29 of Inktober. I know I'm behind by a lot, but I am still trying to finish every dinosaur of the list of Inktober. I may have failed the challenge though, but I'm still going and I'm still trying to make this work. Anyways, I think I did the feet a little bit too big. In my opinion, the feet are way too large in comparison of the dinosaur. But I mean, I tried to do my best on drawing this dinosaur as fast as I could. And eventually, I was actually finished with the drawing in about 36 minutes. But I decided to add some more little details and a little bit of extra shading at the end because I had a lot of time left. So, a drawing of, this is a pretty nice drawing in my opinion. And considering it only took me about, let's say 40 minutes. I think it took me about 40 minutes to complete this whole drawing. Which is not, it's pretty fast in my opinion. And again, I'm doing this because I'm trying to save as much time. And I'm actually going to challenge every single one of you that is watching this video right now. If you want to improve faster, then draw faster. A lot of people tell you to take your time on drawing. There's actually been a study that has been done about, I think it was students, and they had to make a clay pot or something. And there were a group of students that were supposed to make one very good pot. And there were a group of students that were supposed to make as many pots as they could. Turned out that the students that made as many pots as they could, as fast as they could, they actually, created the best looking, most professional looking pot. And the people that were, taking a lot of time on them, they actually took so much time that they didn't learn and they didn't improve. They didn't have a chance to improve. So I would argue that you improve faster if you draw more. And if you have, if you make your drawing that usually takes about an hour or 2 hours, if you just create it in about 30 minutes every single time, you're going to improve way faster. But anyways, I hope you guys can kind of see what I'm doing and kind of follow along with what I'm doing. And, I'm just trying to make some, testing some new things out. And usually I show my drawing at the end of the video, the final drawing. And this video I decided to do it at the start, just to give you guys an idea of what you're supposed to expect. So here we go, just adding a couple little feathers and we're done.